Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix network sharing problem on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the network sharing problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you some of the basic steps you can try and fix this issue. In this first, you have to just click on the search, then type here services. Click on the services. Guys, this method will work for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this, you need to find four services. Just click any one of the service, then press F key. You can see function discovery provider host. Double click on that. You have to make sure startup type should be as automatic. After selecting automatic, make sure the service is running. Click on apply. First, click on stop. Click on start. Make sure the service is running. Then click OK. After that, function discovery resource publication, double click on this, select as automatic, click on start, make sure service is running, click on apply, then click OK. After that, you need to find SSDP discovery, double click on that, click on startup type, select automatic. First you need to stop, apply, then click start again and click on OK. And the final and last is UNP device host. Double click on this, select as automatic, click on start, click on apply, then click OK. Then close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix network sharing problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.